Based on Professor Rob Cross's 20 years researching more than 300 organizations, we now know that applying 3 strategies can better lead performance, drive innovation, and support engagement through networks. When employees experience trust, that cultivates and deepens a sense of purpose, which generates energy in their network. These people are more likely to give greater effort and be higher performers, report higher engagement, and stay longer in the organization. To help others learn and apply these strategies, we've made available 2 specific tools and resources. This video will cover the features and functionalities of the Helping Others Thrive activity cards and associated case studies. Activity cards are designed to be applied in 4 types of activities in our GROW framework. Let's take a look at how the opportunity activity works. As part of a facilitated session, participants sort the deck into 3 piles across trust, cultivate, purpose, and drive energy. Participants sort through the 3 piles, picking the strategy that would drive the greatest value for them in each relevant area. They then turn the card over and review why this strategy matters and how they can improve. Using their smartphone, participants can apply the QR code on the back of each card to access a more in-depth case study that shares how a successful leader has applied this strategy in their work or personal life. As part of a facilitated session, one-on-one, or team meeting, participants discuss and get peer coaching on how they can apply these new skills. More about these resources can be found on the Connected Commons website, including additional videos that provide a brief overview of the research and resources or the 360 assessment. Thanks for watching.